The hooding of police officers' uniform, includes hoods, are used in certain circumstances for operational reasons, especially when you need to protect the identity of the police officers when carrying out dangerous operations that deals with people like terrorists, sometimes bandits, sometimes gangs. Gangs are very targeting of police officers. And I am glad that the senator appreciates that sometimes those gangs and criminals may be within demos or in public space or any places that can be, and the police officers are rightly to protect themselves and protect their identity so that they are not targeted by dangerous criminals after carrying out the responsibilities they do. But by law, once they do so, they arrest the person and they must produce them in court. You need to know that our police officers operating in serious areas like the border of Kenya and Somalia face dangers every day. And if you were to force them to be seen, or those who are operating in areas infested with bandits are always facing dangerous criminals who are ready to revenge. And hooding and protecting our police officers is the responsibility of the National Police Service to provide the necessary uniform.